Hello everyone, welcome you all for this sixth session of Python programming. I am 𝙤𝙤𝙝𝙚 from the Department of Computer Applications at 𝙤𝙤𝙝𝙚 Academy of Higher Education. In the last class, we have seen about the OOPS concept in Python. Today, we are going to see about file, that is file handling, exception handling and modules. We know that file handling are an important for web applications. Python has several functions for reading, writing, updating, deleting the files. For that, Python uses open function. It is a key function for file handling which we are going to use in Python. So first we'll see how to create a file. For creating a file, just use the file name. F equal to, that is a variable name, open function, inside that give the file name. I am giving it as demo file.txt. I am giving a simple txt file. So for opening or to create a file, this statement is more enough. But generally, open function consists of two parameters. One is file name and another one is file mode. We'll see an example for that. F equal to open. Within that, I am giving file name with its extension and the mode of the file. Have you understand? Wait, I will explain the mode. As like other programming languages, Python also have some modes for the file. R is for reading a file, W is for writing in the file, and A is for appending, and added to that, Python has special two types. One is T for text file and one more is for B, that is binary file. Binary file, for example, like images. Now you can understand that line. RT represents reading mode of a file as a text file. So that is the meaning for that. So under creation, we also have seen the read type also. So both are very simple. Just giving a file name is creation along with the read mode. Also we can give the function for that. I will explain. F equal to open, file name, read mode. After that, I am printing the file in read mode. For that, f.read. I am calling the read function to read my file along with my read mode, so that the function will be printed for a read mode. So as like that, we'll see for write and appending mode. Creation and reading are simple and most similar. Likewise, appending and writing are similar mode. For that, we are going to use the write function. We'll see the example. To write, first we have to open the file for every mode. Open demo file.txt append mode. In next line, I am writing to it, that is inside the write function there are more content. I am appending this text in my file as write mode. After that, we have to close the file immediately using close function. To print this appended file, we have to open the same file in after appending, just print the file in read mode. Look, after appending only, we have to open the file in read mode to print the appended file. Now I am printing print f.read. So the output will be, if for example, if file is having, that is demo file is having hi, I am including in that hi, the output will be appended after there are more contents. So the appended content will be included in the actual file and the output will be printed in read mode after appending it. So this is an example for that. This will be easy for you to move to the next level of file handling. Next we'll see about exception handling. Exception handling. Exception abnormally terminates the execution of the program. Abnormally terminates. We'll see an example. For this, try except block is used to find the exceptions in the program. We'll see syntax along with the example. I am giving try keyword along with colon. If I am printing a even number means even number is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. And this is my list. Now I am printing this value as even underscore number 5. And I am giving except 0 division error. This is an default exception or also called as inbuilt exception. Under that, I am printing denominator cannot be 0. Also, one more except block I am creating. We can create n number of except block followed by the try block. Index error. For this, I am printing index out of bound. Can you guess the output for this example? Try it. I am having 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values of the list which the even number contains. But I have printing that even numbers of 5 values. I am giving 5 instead of 4. So for this error, we are going to create the except block, that is try except block. So first I am giving the except as except 0 division error. So this will not come under our category. So next is except index error. See index 1, 2, 3, 4. We are given the index as 5. So it will print index out of bound. Like these, we can create n number of except. Try few more examples. So for exception handling, try except is very important to find the n number of exceptions. Next we are going to see about modules. Modules we have here in some other languages like VB.NET, VB, ASP, and it is a common term where we are using everywhere. Likewise in Python, modules to be the same as the code library. It is a platform where we can add some values or variables or some other text, etc. Whatever it is. So it contains the set of functions which we can include those functions in your applications. Okay. So to create the module, we have to save the file using .py extension. So this is very important. Let's see an example. I am defining a function for my module. So define greeting in that name. I am printing hello along with my module which contains this value. Okay. To create a module, we must import the module. It is a keyword. Import my module. My module dot what it contains my function. So module dot greeting, instead of that name we are using congratulations. So the module is included in that greeting and the output will be displayed as hello, congratulations. So this is a simple example. So as I already told, modules contains the set of functions which we have already described. Also, the module consists of variables along with its type, array, dictionaries, objects, list, whatever it is. It can contain any type of variables which the Python is included. So for that, I have created person1 for my dictionary. So name is John, age is 36, country is Norway. For this, I am creating my module. For that, first I have included that import my module variable a is equal to my module dot person age. So if we printing a means my module calls the person1 and it will print the output as 36. So it is the output for that. How the modules that are working in Python means like this only. So that's all for today. Thank you. So that's all for today. Just have a recap for today's session. First we have seen about file handling. Under that we have seen about how to read, write and append the files. After that we have seen about exception handling using try except block. Finally, just now we see about modules, that is code library. So also we seen about how to include and import the variables and functions in the Python. So Hope you all have understand these concepts. In the next class, we will see about the matplotlib and math library functions. Thank you.